अगर एक औरत एक ऐसी शादी में है, अगर वो एक ऐसी शादी का हिस्सा है जहाँ पे वो अब्यूज़ करता है उसका पति या उसको मारता है, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस हो रहा है और वो लड़की बिल्कुल भी खुश नहीं है उस शादी में, वो रोती है रोज़. व्हाट इज़ अ मैन सैक्रिफाइसिंग? बॉडी? नॉट एट ऑल. करियर? नॉट एट ऑल. डिलीवरी के अगले दिन फादर्स गो टू देयर ऑफिस and start working. But for us, 1 year of breastfeeding and then another 6 months to recover and all of that.
People don't want to commit these days. They just want to be dating each other without any future.
26 से 40 साल की उम्र के 42% युवाओं ने ये कहा कि वो ना तो शादी करना चाहते हैं और ना ही बच्चों की जिम्मेदारी उठाना चाहते हैं.
The divorce rate in India, they have increased. So what could be the reason? Do you think all of this could be one of the reasons that people are not ready and they're like एक झटके में?
ये आजकल जो इतने डिवोर्स हो रहे हैं ना, ये इसलिए हो रहे हैं क्योंकि
What is the right age to get married?
sad part is that
Keeping in touch with an ex.
I absolutely
Live in relationships. Hello everybody, welcome back to our Rice Talks, and for today we have a very special guest. It's none other than Rose Kawatra. She's an influencer. She's been into the industry for the last 7 years, and not only an influencer, she's also a brand builder. She's an entrepreneur, and we are so thrilled to have you for today's episode.
thank you so much. I'm so excited to talk to you, honestly.
I know that. I've been hearing that for the last 1 week that we are very excited. Okay. So, you are wearing multiple hats. You're an influencer, you're a content creator. You post so much on social media every now and then. Recently, I've started with this No Sugar Challenge.
Yeah.
And people know about it. So, tell me, how do you manage to run another agency with this?
Yes, that's true. I am 24 and I'm doing multiple things, and I do get overwhelmed, honestly. Ki yaar, I'm doing so many things but I do feel like, and honestly, I go to like a lot of talks. I've given my TED talk recently twice, and I do visit different colleges and interact with a lot of people, and I do get this realization quite often that okay, I have done something at a younger age and I'm 24 and doing so many things. But I do also realize that I'm not the most talented person in the world. I'm not like super talented, or
You are a rebel with the cause.
Yeah, I do feel like
I mean, you did not follow the mainstream education, the traditional schooling, like not the schooling actually, maybe post-schooling. What usually people do
Absolutely.
is they pursue their masters, they do the undergrad, and then they
Yes.
take up a job,
Yeah.
9 to 5, and not that we are degrading it.
yeah,
I mean,
absolutely.
you know, it's a must.
Huh.
But for you, it was...
Yeah, for sure. I did my schooling, and in the 12th standard मेरे boards के result नहीं आए थे, but तब उससे पहले ही मैंने videos बनाना शुरू कर दिया था YouTube पे. So I obviously, yes, I did break that stereotype of पहले school करा, फिर college पूरा किया 3 साल, फिर job करी, फिर और job में promotion करी, then पैसे कमाए. मैंने college drop कर दिया था. I was a dropout, and उस time पे लोग कहते थे कि oh, why are you like leaving college? But I started working at an early age and I started earning money, and I had to prioritize my work because मुझे लगा कि पढ़ाई के बाद जॉब करूँगी, फिर जाके पैसे कमाऊँगी.
The goal of education is also to be able to make you stand financially, right? And if
Exactly.
you are independent, and I'm not saying that, I mean, I'm doing a PhD, so I can't say that education is not important, but at the same time, to have that hold, to be able to write your own checks, I think it's another freedom altogether. A lot of people don't get that.
Yeah.
You know, when you're a girl and you can pay for your stuff,
Yeah.
I think it's...
And I was doing that when I was 20. So, and I was in college, and I was doing that while my peers, while my college mates were partying till sunrise, and they were bunking classes, and they were doing all sorts of shit a college student does, while I was rushing back home because I had to shoot a video because the sun should not go, and I was just all the time thinking about my work, and everybody in my college knew that she's that girl who makes videos, and a lot of people used to make fun at that time because obviously when you're starting out, you don't have that much audience.
I think
And-
those are the guys who ask for shout outs now
Yes.
on stories.
And I don't read their messages because they have been
okay.
so rude and so harsh and so demeaning to me when I was starting out. They used to make fun of the kind of content I was making, and when today they come for a free shout out or a promotion or one reel, I'm like, talk to my manager, I'm not available.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
So, guys, you heard it.
But I do feel like, having said all of that, I don't want to sound like, okay, I was the luckiest girl, because I really was not. I know one thing, that I am not, it's not because of my talent, it's purely because of my hard work. I know one thing, that I might not be the most talented person in a room full of people, but I will be the most hardworking person in a room full of people.
And I think that's how everybody should be. you know.
Only hard work. There's no shortcut. If you want to be successful and succeed and come at a level, you have to work hard. There is no alternative.
All right. So my next question is going to be about, since you're an influencer, you're a content creator. Guys, she has more than 1 lakh followers on Instagram. So you get crazy brand deals, and I've been looking at your gram myself. So tell me one brand deal that you said no to, and your team told you that, it's crazy, Rose ma'am, what are you doing? You're not supposed to do that. So tell me about that one brand deal.
My team as well as my relatives, so I was telling them about this. So when you're starting out na Swikriti, like in any career, in any profession, especially being a creator, when you're starting out, you take up all the brand deals. You're like, हाँ ये भी मैं कर लूँगी, ये भी मैं कर लूँगी.
Filters, money is coming with it. So
Yes, because in our journey, like getting brand deals is one milestone. So to achieve that, people are like, yes, I'll do this. And very honestly, I used to say yes to any brand that used to come my way, because I was like, oh, I get to make a video and I get to write paid promotions. So at that time, I used to say yes to all the brands for money as well as the status. 2 weeks ago, we got this collaboration from Absolute. Jayanti only was talking to them, and they were giving us hefty amounts of money, and it was a very lucrative deal, and I was tempted to get it. I was like, okay. But then I realized that I said no to the brand because it was an alcohol brand. It was the brand Absolute, but we said no. Because I just felt like there are a lot of young girls watching me, and I don't believe that I'm doing this because, you don't have to follow me. I'm doing this, just say, hey, Rebel Kid, for example, like that creator. I just feel like whatever she's doing, there are a lot of young girls watching her. And if you drink from a bottle, आप नीट ऐसे पी रहे हो या आप गालियाँ दे रहे हो या सब कुछ कर रहे हो, तो बच्चे इन्फ्लुएंस हो रहे हैं, आप चाहो या ना चाहो, knowingly, unknowingly, like children looking at your content do get influenced. And I have such a kind community. One time this woman DM'd me, उसकी बेटी हुई थी recently, और उसने मुझे ये बोला कि Rose, I like you so much that I want my daughter to be like you.
Oh, that's so sweet.
And that DM, it was like years ago, but that DM still is stuck. And whatever I post or whatever I do, whatever I stand up for, I'm always thinking in the back of my mind that, oh, that little girl is watching. So I decided to not associate with an alcohol brand.
So you took Rebel Kid's name, right? So we have to talk about the latest India's Got Talent controversy.
My God.
You're an influencer. You understand this cancel culture more than anyone else.
Yeah.
So do you think that was blown out of proportion, or do you think it should have been like, they should have been taken to the custody, dragged and
I don't
penalized?
think-
I mean, they have had their share of sufferings. I mean, they went MIA from the social media. They were not there. They were not being seen.
Yeah.
They were dragged to the police stations, and all of that happened with them. So what is your take on that? Do you think there are more important things that government and the system should have focused on, or do you think what happened with them was justified, knowing what they said in the
So if you are like a mega influencer and you have millions of people watching you, you have to understand that you have the responsibility of millions of people watching you, and you cannot take something so lightly. When this show started, India's Got Latent, I watched a couple of episodes and I was shocked. I was like, how is this okay? How is ये YouTube वाले लोग कुछ कर क्यों नहीं रहे इस बारे में यार? How is this okay? That show, the kind of language they used to use. Now I watched it and I started, like, I was having fun. I used to laugh at the jokes, but then I'm an adult. There are a lot of young kids. School वाले बच्चे भी समय रैना का show देख रहे हैं.
they're
क्या
buying
influence
subscriptions
हो रहा है?
also. I mean, he had made this another, I don't remember, एक अलग से he made a channel, and it's going to be exclusive for the members, and it's a paid subscription.
Yeah.
I think if I'm not wrong,
It is,
that's what
there
happened.
is an option of getting like
Yeah.
exclusive content and all
Content.
of that, but it's insane, it's insanity. क्यों हम दिखा रहे हैं ये सब? I don't understand. Even though I might sound hypocrite, क्योंकि मैं भी देखने लग गई वो episode और मुझे भी मज़ा आने लग गया. I was laughing, But then I was always thinking about those young kids watching, यार वो क्या सीख रहे हैं, उनके लिए गाली देना तो it's like normal, but it's not, it's really not. So I wasn't very happy with the show either. But then when Beer Biceps said that line, I was devastated because मैं उसको एक, I used to believe that he's like that Devta Swarup insan because of the content that he used to bring to us. I used to admire. I mean, but जब उसने वो कहा मैं, I was so shocked और मुझे ऐसे लगा कि यार it's कैसे हो सकता है ये. तो मुझे even I left a comment on his post कि यार you disappointed me and all of that because it feels like a personal thing, right? Like because you follow this person so much and you are like then is something. So I don't think कि गलत हुआ, जो हुआ वो ठीक हुआ, होना चाहिए था. I am pro that. But हाँ थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया because आजकल सोशल मीडिया पे जो भी चल रहा है वो सबको देखना है. So but I'm still against it. I'm not at all pro whatever happened.
Okay, so like you firmly take your stand against what they said
Yes.
in that particular episode.
Yes.
Okay, fine, we got that.
100%.
Okay, all right, we got that. Now, my next question is going to be about the relationship, not even relationship. I think we should talk about, since you have a lot of following from Gen Z population, from millennials, they follow you, they admire you. So, what is your take on relationship culture these days? I mean, there's so many words to start with. Situationships, I think.
Yeah, and hookups and like
hookups. No, hookup is
Hookup तो पुराना हो गया.
There's this benching. There is another, like there are few other terms. I don't even
benching means? I don't know.
I don't know that either. I was just going through that. You know, these are the terms. I thought that you might be able to explain it to the audience. What is your take on that? I mean, people don't want to commit these days. They just want to be dating each other without any future and future commitments. And it's also about, like, you know, we have this they're getting involved physically, but they don't end up together. So what is this culture like? I think you and I, we are both very old school in this.
I am
we
a
don't
Gen Z.
understand.
I am.
But
I think I
in the
qualify.
mindset.
I think 2000 born वाले Gen Z होता है ना?
We are qualified as Gen Z, but we are not.
Yes. So I am a Gen Z. जैसे लगता है गाली दे रहे हो मुझे Gen Z बोल के. All the Gen Z followers will hate me. Oh my God, sorry. But I do feel like I'm a Gen Z. I'm born in 2000, but I am so old school, and I am like a one man woman, and I crave deep connection and depth in a relationship. And I am someone, you know, I'm someone who, like, I want the guy to worship the floor I walk on, because not because I deserve it, because I will do the same for him. So when I'm willing to do so much for you, and I'm just like, so of course I want that reciprocation. So ye hookup and all is not for me.
Okay, we get that. So, nothing, we are not going to be defining what these terms are, because you don't know the
नहीं,
meaning
मुझे
either,
पता ही नहीं है
and I
इनका
don't know the
मतलब.
meaning either. Yeah.
जानना
okay.
भी नहीं है मुझे,
अच्छा, जानना भी
क्योंकि
नहीं.
जान के और दिमाग खराब होता है कि क्या चल रहा है हमारी
So, what do you
society.
think is the reason that the marriages are falling out? I mean, the divorce rate in India, they have increased. So, what could be the reason? Do you think all of this could be one of the reasons that people are not ready and they're like, ek jhatke mein? I think forgiveness is not a thing these days.
Yeah.
People are not ready to forgive. They're like, okay, ye ho gaya divorce, ye ho gaya breakup.
Yeah.
So,
ये कॉन्वर्जेशन एक्चुअली आई थिंक 1 week ago मेरे नानू नानी और हमारी पूरी फैमिली बैठी थी और ये बात हो रही थी. एंड लिटरली वन पर्सन मेड दिस स्टेटमेंट सेइंग, ये जो आजकल इतने डिवोर्स हो रहे हैं ना, इतने जो आजकल हो रहा है, ये
don't
इसलिए
tell
हो
me
रहा है.
लड़कियों की वजह से हो रही है, क्योंकि
नहीं.
लड़कियां पढ़ लिख गई हैं.
नो, द स्टेटमेंट ही सेड वाज, ये आजकल जो इतने डिवोर्स हो रहे हैं ना, ये इसलिए हो रहे हैं क्योंकि लड़कियां इंडिपेंडेंट होगी, अपना कमाती हैं, अपना खाती हैं. एंड आई वाज लाइक, मैं अंदर अंदर सोच रही हूँ कि ओ माई गॉड, बिकॉज आई डू अंडरस्टैंड दैट डिवोर्सेस बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं. एंड वन ऑफ द रीजन्स कैन बी कि गर्ल्स आर नॉट विलिंग टू एडजस्ट एट ऑल, और देर जस्ट नॉट विलिंग टू थोड़ा इतना सा भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज वर्ड उनकी डिक्शनरी में भी नहीं है.
एक्चुअली पहले के टाइम पे क्या था, आई थिंक वुमेन वर डिपेंडेंट. जैसे द मूवी दिल धड़कने दो, व्हेन दे वर ऑल डूइंग दैट कन्फ्रंटेशन इन द हॉस्पिटल रूम, तो रणवीर सिंह सेड दैट आपके पास कहीं जाने को है ही नहीं. दैट्स द ट्रूथ ऑफ द मैटर. You know, women back in, if we talk about our parents' generation या उससे पहले, and there was this one serial Anupama, I think up to, I don't know whether it's airing or not, but when it started, it was to showcase how, you know, patriarchy works in indirect ways, and how women are just dependent on men for everything. But now it's like कि when you're getting into a relationship, when you're marrying somebody, it has to be for companionship. It cannot be for money, it cannot be for lifestyle, because every woman, she's educated, उसके पास अपना पैसा है, तो she's not going to marry somebody just for money. It has to be more than that. So if the other things are not there, and even if the guy is having money, I think they still get divorced.
आई फील लाइक हम लोग इन सब चीज़ों की वजह से ना बहुत एक डीप जो प्रॉब्लम है ना इंडियन सोसाइटी में, उसको कहीं ना कहीं इग्नोर कर देते हैं, विच आई डोंट वांट टू डू, बिकॉज आई स्ट्रांगली फील कि अगर एक औरत एक ऐसी शादी में है, अगर वो एक ऐसी शादी का हिस्सा है जहाँ पे वो अब्यूज़ करता है उसका पति, या उसको मारता है, डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस हो रहा है, और वो लड़की बिल्कुल भी खुश नहीं है उस शादी में, वो रोती है रोज़, पर वो कुछ नहीं कर सकती उसके बारे में, क्योंकि उसके पास कोई और घर नहीं है, उसके पास पैसे कमाने का कोई साधन नहीं है, वो अपने बच्चों को लेकर जाएगी कहाँ? तो वो पूरी ज़िंदगी उस टॉक्सिक शादी में रहती है, रोज़ उसी लड़के के साथ सोती है जो दिन में उसको मारता है। आज लड़कियों के पास ये लिबर्टी है, ये फ्रीडम है कि अगर ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है तो बॉस दे कैन वॉक आउट ऑफ इट। क्या ये बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट नहीं है?
But then again, you're pinning it on women. Like, women can walk out of it. See, the point is that you said कि आपके जो भी relative
देखो,
ने
मैं ना
statement
दुनिया को
बोला,
बदलने नहीं निकली हूँ ना, मैं चाहती हूँ कि लोग बेबी सिट नहीं करने वाले हम अपने पतियों को, राइट? वो एक फुल ग्रोन एडल्ट इंसान है, अगर वो ऐसा कुछ कर रहा है तो मैं निकल जाऊँगी ना उस, और पर द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ कि मैं इसीलिए निकल पा रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट हूँ। तो ये तो बहुत बड़ी अचीवमेंट है ना हमारी कंट्री के लिए, कि आज वो लड़कियां उस टॉक्सिक पिट नहीं रही हैं, वो निकल सकती हैं।
but
और
हर जगह पिट नहीं रही होती वैसे, to be
I am
honest.
saying
Like, if we talk about marriages falling out, there are so many cases, and actually men have started to fear, like I've seen it on Instagram, that they're actually fearing to get married. प्रेमानंद महाराज की वीडियो आई थिंक सबने देखी है. There was this one question that came, जिसमें लड़का बोल रहा था बिकॉज ऑफ द केसेस, एंड इट्स अबाउट द वायलेंट केसेस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, वेयर दे आर एक्चुअली किलिंग देयर हस्बैंड्स टू फ्लाई आउट विद द लवर्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो उसमें ना मेन आर ऑल्सो स्कैर्ड ऑफ मैरिजेस.
आजकल तो इतनी जल्दी डिवोर्स मिल जाता है लड़कियों को, और
And
अच्छे
with
लड़के
alimony, guys, with
इंडिपेंडेंट
alimony.
एलिमनी के चक्कर में. एंड आई एम श्योर कि अगर मैं एक तरफ ये साइड ले रही हूँ उन गर्ल्स का जो एक्चुअली नीड इट, तो मैं हाँ ये भी एड्रेस कर रही हूँ कि देयर आर लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स हु आर मैरिंग जस्ट फॉर द एलिमनी मनी, एंड लड़के बहुत
There
स्कैर्ड
is
है.
this meme where it says, if Dahej is gift, then alimony is return gift. I've seen that. So that was very funny. I mean, guys,
it's
don't take
there.
offense.
It's
funny.
there, but then
it's there. It's out there.
बट देन बिकॉज ऑफ दीज सिली थिंग्स की लड़कियां एलुमनाई के लिए ही कर रही हैं, हम इतनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम को नज़रअंदाज नहीं करना चाहिए मुझे लगता है, जस्ट बिकॉज गर्ल्स आर फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट.
So do you think it's equal? Like, both men, women, they are scared of getting into relationships?
आई थिंक बोथ ऑफ देम आर स्कैर्ड यार, बोथ आर ह्यूमंस. दोनों को डर लग रहा होता है शादी से पहले. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि सिर्फ लड़कियां ही डर रही होती हैं. हम लड़कों को बहुत टफ एंड रफ ऐसे समझते हैं, बट अंदर से भाई वो भी ऐसे सॉफ्ट ही होते हैं अंदर से. मेन आर सेंसिटिव, दे जस्ट हैव अ टफ एक्सटीरियर, दे आर लाइक कोकोनट. बाहर से वो टफ है बट अंदर से वो नरम ही है यार. सो इट्स
But I
इतना
think
हमें-
most of women, what they complained about is that men are not expressive.
या
They do not show their emotions. Now, you get that men have a tough exterior, अंदर से वो नरम होते हैं and all of that. But sometimes it's very important कि दिखाओ भाई हमें, अगर तुम्हें कुछ भी, you know, even if it is a father figure, it's your brother, it's your boyfriend, it's your any male figure in your family or your circle, it's very important sometimes to show that, you know, you care, and it is expressed only. That is not something that you can speak with words.
या आई
Right?
थिंक दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
That's very important. I think men need to be more expressive. This tough exterior alpha male wali cheese, it's limited to Kabir Singh only. It's very important that you,
And who wants to date a Kabir Singh
nobody
anyway?
wants to date a Kabir Singh.
मतलब it's toxic to another level, and मुझे
But
ऐसा लगता
people went gaga over him. Over him.
there were girls who were crashing over
Kabir
and
Singh
there are girls who
personality.
date उनको, मतलब वो I have seen कि but it's very stupid मुझे बोलने में इस तरह कि जिस शीशे काले होते हैं, सिगरेट चल रही होती है, गाने तेज होते हैं, girls get attracted to all of that. हाउ, मतलब क्या हो रहा है मुझे नहीं समझ आता, बट इट्स वेरी बैड. और ये शुरू में शायद अट्रैक्टिव लगे, बट 10-15 साल बाद जब
10-15 साल भी नहीं, 5-6 महीने में वो दिखने लग जाता है. वो होता है ना, प्यार का चश्मा चढ़ा होता है तो कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा होता. इट्स लाइक दैट.
Right.
तो बट विद टाइम आई थिंक इट गेट्स
Yes,
बेटर.
yes.
You can see what the man is. I have one question for you. For girls, because you have a lot of girls following you, what is the right age to get married? Settle down, guys. Settle down.
The sad part is that the career clock and the biological clock for a woman doesn't go hand in hand. They are exact opposites. तो by the time हम करियर बना रहे होते हैं 25 साल तक, आई थिंक 25-26 साल तक यूजुअली एक
It's for you. It's different. See, for a lot
मेरे
of
लिए तो it
girls,
has been different.
it's their starting phase. Like
Yeah,
that is the time when they actually start earning and
Okay.
they are financially independent. And तभी मम्मी पापा का डंडा आ जाता है that.
A lot of my friends, a lot of my closest like girlfriends tell me that they will not get married before 28, 29, 30. And when I hear it, I'm like, all the best to you, but I'm not doing that. मतलब मुझे तो शुरू से ये था that I want to get married at a younger age. Chance मिलता तो मैं और जल्दी शादी कर लेती, because I do believe that there's a biological clock. वो किसी की इंतज़ार नहीं कर रही है.
Of course, absolutely.
And मुझे complications नहीं चाहिए life में. Like for me, most important thing in life is my body and my health. That tops everything. Money सब कुछ ठीक है, but for me my health is my utmost priority. And for that अगर मुझे जल्दी शादी करना पड़े तो इसमें बुराई
मतलब
बुराई
if you
है
find the
क्या?
right guy, I mean there is no, I don't think there's any age. There are girls who get married at 20, 21. They're happily living their life, and
मतलब
I'm so
it's-
happy for them. Like
It's your choice कि आप अभी या तो ऐश कर लो, घूमो फिरो, travel the world, अपने 30 years तक नोट छापो, सब कुछ करो. But then when you are trying to conceive and make babies, you are going to hospitals, getting injections and just
they're doing
troubling your
egg
body so
freezing these
much.
days. When you're not getting married, they are getting their eggs freeze so that when they
Yeah,
want to have
that.
a
But
family,
I'm happy about that. I'm happy about that because at least you get a choice. At least आप 30 साल में अगर God forbid किसी भी वजह से शादी कर रहे हो, at least you have the option ना. तो वो एक stress कम हो रहा है.
I just feel that we should go back to our roots. I'm not talking about Balika Vadhu and all, guys. Let me tell you that. I'm just talking about that the way our grandparents used to think. I think that's very appropriate. Looking
Yeah,
at the
but then
lifestyle also, like
grandparents को नहीं था ना financial independence का, और तब तो हमारी नानियाँ दादियाँ were like from a different era. Today financial
don't you
independence
think,
is
I have
important.
just one question, and I don't know if it can be controversial or not. Taking in the responsibility or taking the flag of being independent or whatever, and it might sound, I'm sitting here, it might sound very hypocritical, but don't you think girls ने अपने ऊपर ज़्यादा सरदर्दी ले ली है कि उनकी जो वो वाली इमेज है जिसमें उन्होंने घर संभालना है, शी हैज़ टू बी द प्राइमरी केयर गिवर फॉर द बेबीज एंड ऑल, वो तो है ही है, बट साथ में हमें इंडिपेंडेंट भी बनना है. तो डोंट यू थिंक वी हैव टेकन ऑन द बर्डन ऑन
It's true.
आवरसेल्व्स?
It's true. We have taken मतलब अगर हम बोलते थे कि हम भी करेंगे क्योंकि हमें 50-50 रखना है,
मतलब
but वो
क्या
कभी
करेंगे?
50-50 हो नहीं पाता है, वो
कोई
हमेशा
50-50 नहीं
70.
है.
But also I feel like Sweekriti, we are coming from we are very privileged girls who are living in Delhi, who have everything that we wish for. For us, even if we choose to not work and just manage the house, raise kids, it's possible for us by the grace of God. हमें पैसे की इतनी वो नहीं है, but I'm just, my heart goes out to those girls जो वही, I don't want any girl to be unhappy in a relationship. अगर उसके लिए उनको पैसे कमा के थोड़ा independent होना
You
है
are
तो
going this side. My question to you is that even if you are working, you get married, you have babies, do you think your husband will be उतना ही involved जितना आप हो? Don't you think आपको being, and it's not wrong, I'm not saying कि माँ का ज़्यादा प्यार करना इस गलत, माँ से बहुत अटैच्ड होते हैं, सारे बेबीज होते हैं, बट डोंट यू थिंक कि वो तो आपने करना ही करना है, साथ में आपने एक और रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ले लिया. दैट्स व्हाट माय क्वेश्चन.
I completely agree with you.
Yeah,
That's what I
so
said कि I
that's what
agree कि हमने ज़्यादा चीज़ें ले ली, हमने खुद अपने पैरों पे कुल्हाड़ी मारी है, but I do feel like this is coming from some girls जो ऐसा बोल सकती हैं. I also feel like कि हम लोगों ने being girls बहुत masculine चीज़ें अपने ऊपर डाल ली हैं कि करियर बनाना है, पैसे कमाना है, प्रोवाइड करना है and all that. But I see now, अब ये थोड़ा ऐसे है कि I am financially independent, I do make money and I have a career of my own. But today if I choose to get married, I am not going to be splitting the bill. I might sound hypocrite, but listen.
No, but that's fine.
But listen,
that's okay.
मैं आपसे शादी कर रही हूँ, ये आपकी लाइफ का पहले तो बहुत बड़ा गिफ्ट है. दूसरी चीज़ ये कि मैं अपनी पूरी ज़िंदगी, अपने 25-26 साल की लाइफ को 1 मिनट में ऐसे आग लगा के तुम्हारे घर रहने आ रही हूँ, तुम्हारे बच्चे पैदा करूँगी ताकि तुम्हारी फैमिली का नाम आगे बढ़े, जहाँ मैं अपने परिवार को छोड़ के आ रही हूँ, अपना as simple as like your bed and your pillow to as major as my identity. I am giving up everything for you in just a second, and then you expect me to split the bill? Are you serious?
Exactly.
I'm not going to do that.
Thank God somebody said that.
I am financially independent. I stick to that. But I also want the man to be the man of the house. I want him to provide. Meanwhile, I will be here to nurture your kids. I will be a nurturer, but you be a provider. I feel like दोनों एनर्जीज में ना बैलेंस बहुत ज़रूरी है. प्रॉब्लम वहाँ आती है स्वीकृति, जब हम फेमिनिन हो कि मैस्कुलिनिटी को हावी होने देते हैं अपने ऊपर और फेमिनिटी को एक embrace नहीं करते. That's where the hormonal issues come. That's why so many women have PCOD, PCOS today. What is PCOD, PCOS? It is the hormonal imbalance, right? What are hormones? Testosterone, estrogen, all of this, right? वो balance हम जब खो देते हैं तब biologically problem आती है. I am talking very practically and very scientifically. यहाँ life एक movie नहीं है यार. Movies में दिखाते हैं कि CEO and like all of that do that, but also don't forget about your femininity यार. That will keep you going and don't let the man. I know gender roles नहीं है कि भाई एक father आज diaper बदल रहा है और एक mother आज empire खड़ा कर रही है. I am pro, मतलब I'm very happy about it. But I also feel like कि मेरे से ये expect मत करो कि मैं सब कुछ छोड़ के तुम्हारी पत्नी बन रही हूँ और तुम्हें प्यार दूंगी, तुम्हें रिस्पेक्ट दूंगी, तुम्हें सब कुछ करूँगी, बट बच्चे पैदा करने के बाद अपनी बॉडी की वाट लगाने के बाद व्हाट इज़ अ मैन सैक्रिफाइसिंग? बॉडी? नॉट एट ऑल. करियर? नॉट एट ऑल. डिलीवरी के अगले दिन फादर्स गो टू देयर ऑफिस एंड स्टार्ट वर्किंग, बट फॉर अस 1 year of breastfeeding and then another 6 months to recover and all of that. तो इतना सब कर रही हूँ मैं, रिस्पेक्ट दैट. उसके बाद मेरे से पैसे मत मांगो कॉफ़ी के यार. Have some chivalry.
I think man should be chivalrous enough to take the charge.
और मैं तो अट्रैक्टिव ही तभी होंगी, मतलब आई विल गेट अट्रैक्टेड टू अ मैन ओनली व्हेन द मैन इज लाइक अ मैन.
Exactly.
सो ठीक है, अल्फा भी नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसा भी नहीं कि
We are not talking कि मैन को टॉक्सिक होना है, वो हमें ये करने से रोके, वो ये मना करे, वो मना करे, ऐसे मत पहनो, वो मत करो, ये मत पहनो, whatever. It's not about that. It's about taking the charge in terms of you lead. Yeah. And I'm there with every step of the way with you.
No, I don't think the man should lead. I think it should be a 50-50. But be with me. मतलब मेरे साथ मेरा हाथ पकड़ के एकदम मेरे कंधे से कंधा मिला के चलो भाई. तुम मुझे पीछे भी मत करो.
पैसे मत लो हमसे.
हाँ, because आप जिंदगी में एक आए हो, आपका एक रोल है यार. I truly believe in the concept of शिव एंड शक्ति. मैं थ्राइव करती हूँ उस पर. और शिव और शक्ति ऑपोजिट नहीं है. शिव और शक्ति बराबर हैं. दे आर इक्वल. फेमिनिटी
सेइंग, अगर शिव में से शक्ति निकाल दो तो वो सिर्फ शव है.
So उसको वो दर्जा देना चाहिए ना. हम we the moment, but I also feel like women like us, when we don't embrace and accept that we are शक्ति, तो सामने वाला कैसे करेगा यार? To get that respect, to get that worth, to make sure that the person values you.
But we are so much in charge these days.
You have to value
I'm
yourself.
a founder, you're an entrepreneur, you're running, your firm and everything. So sometimes we have to take decisions, and when I tell you this, there are so many meetings and there are going to be so many rooms when you walk into, but you will not be taken seriously. I mean, there are going to be people who are going to ask you twice, आप ही founder हैं, आपसे ही बात हुई थी. I mean, you hear that a lot.
Okay.
When you are 24-year-old, 25-year-old, you walk into a meeting.
So what? What if the other person if the other person is
I'm
asking
telling
you
about the mentality that they
Yeah.
have, that it's a girl who is 24, 25 years old and she's
People
running
doubt
something.
कि ये
People
कैसे
doubt
करेगी.
like, is it yours? And even if they're impressed by the work we are doing, the first question is going to be, आप कैसे कर लेते हो? आप कर लेते
बता
हो?
दो कि मैं ऐसे कर लेती
मतलब these are like one of the very common questions that I hear. कि आप कैसे कर लेते हो? कैसे मैनेज हो जाता है?
इस टाइम ये बोला सीखती, नेक्स्ट टाइम आप सबको बोले तो आपने बोला कि आपने ये जो आपके साथ मेल कोई है सबऑर्डिनेट, क्या आपने उनसे पूछा ये सवाल? आप मेरे से ये सवाल क्यों पूछ रहे हो? You know, you've seen that video of Priyanka Chopra where that clip went viral, where she says that you get the ability to get the job, to be the CEO, and you are 50 and you have kids and you're driven.
And nobody's questioning
Nobody's
you.
questioning you.
But when I do the same thing,
Yeah.
people are like,
I can
"कैसे
be
कर
a
देते हो?"
CEO and a mother.
Yeah, exactly.
So don't question me. So कोई अगर आपसे पूछ रहा तो अभी बोलना. Did you question that man standing there? No, right?
Yeah, so true. I'm gonna do that now.
Yes. जो जैसे बोले उसको वैसे ही जवाब देना चाहिए.
Guys, please keep watching. More content is coming for you. Don't think it's only about feminism.
We
It's
just
more
took
than
a
that.
water break.
Yeah.
क्योंकि ज़्यादा heat up हो गया था सब.
So we are back at it. My next question is going to be about your content creation. You're a lifestyle influencer. So tell me something. Do you get a lot of hate for the content that you put up?
I don't. I'm so lucky. Touch wood, पता नहीं. I don't get hate.
You don't get hate
No, I
at
get
all.
so
like,
much love.
Only love.
When people ask me, you get trolled.
So according to you, there's no downside of being a content creator?
Oh, there are many. The biggest one I think is there is no balance between your life. Like whatever you are doing in life is your content. People take traveling breaks for a break from their job, but we can't even do that. We can't scroll Instagram for entertainment because it's always research for us. So थोड़ा balance नहीं है. Work life balance का concept कोई नहीं होता creator की life में.
Do you think you guys are respected enough as an engineer, as a doctor? Or do you think ये content creator है, ये influencer है, like Kareena Kapoor is influencer?
मुझे मैं एक बात बताऊँ बड़ी honestly. थोड़ा I don't know how it is going to sound, but I do feel like कि respect और इज्जत इस समाज में सिर्फ पैसे से आती है. अगर आपके पास पैसा है, सामने वाले के पास पैसा है, तो आप उसकी इज्जत करोगे, भले ही वो कोई भी काम करे. तो इतने पैसे कमाओ कि अगर कोई आपसे पूछे कि क्या तुम वीडियोस बनाती हो, तो तुम उसको बोलो कि हाँ,
मैं 2 लाख
और
लेती हूँ एक वीडियो
सिर्फ उस एक वीडियो के मैं इतने पैसे लेती हूँ. आपने कितना कमाया 30 दिन काम करके? सो इज्जत सिर्फ पैसे से आती है. दिस इज द हार्श ट्रूथ ऑफ.
No, that's not even harsh. That's the truth of society. I think that's how we operate. If you have money, you get respect, you get everything.
Yeah.
You can buy friends. I mean, people who say that money can't buy happiness, I don't agree. I mean, just walk into
There's a
store.
quote na कि you'd rather cry in a Ferrari.
Yeah, like.
But yeah, I mean, I don't.
So, do you think girls should marry for money?
No. Not just for money.
But money, how
But
important money is in that aspect.
It
if
is
we talk
very
about
important.
marriage, we talk about relationships.
It is very important and it should be very important. I have seen women though who marry out of love. कि मतलब that guy isn't very successful.
But
or
you
is not
know,
doing
my
much.
mom has this quote and she tells me every time that when poverty knocks the door, love flies out of the window.
Yeah, it's
So, and I believe it to be true. That
it is true.
Because
What our
you know,
moms say,
money-
it's always the truth. We should just
Yeah.
accept it.
because shout out to our moms.
Shout out, mama. Love
आपके
you.
लिए.
If you have एक बंदा है जो ज़्यादा अमीर है और एक बंदा है जो कम अमीर है, पर वो एक बंदा जो ज़्यादा अमीर है वो दारू पीता है और रात रात भर पार्टी करता है, और एक इंसान है जो कम पैसे है पर आपको पता है एंड ऑफ द डे यू शांति, आपके पीस, मेंटल पीस. तो व्हाट वुड यू चूज? यू चूज द लाइक दिस
second guy, but-
तो यही है डिफरेंस. सिर्फ इतना ही है कि पैसे इंपॉर्टेंट है बट इतने इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है कि आप खुशी ना हो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे.
मुझे एक चीज़ बताओ. These days, a lot of people, they have started posting about their breakups online and their divorces online. So what is your take on that?
मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है that there are a lot of influencers who we follow, who we used to follow before they got married. फिर जब उन्होंने शादी करी हम तब भी उन्हें फॉलो कर रहे हैं, फिर उनका जब बेबी हुआ हम तब भी उन्हें फॉलो कर रहे हैं. एंड वी आर सो इन्वेस्टेड इन देयर रिलेशनशिप लाइक इट्स आर्स. यू नो, वी हैव मेड देम द रिलेशनशिप गोल्स कि भाई ऐसे होना चाहिए सब कुछ. आप तब अपनी ऑडियंस को हर चीज़ में इंक्लूड कर रहे हो. आप डेट पे जा रहे हो तो आप स्टोरी डाल रहे हो, आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो आप ब्लॉग्स डाल रहे हो, आप घर में हो तो भी आप सब कुछ दिखा रहे हो. एंड देन ऑडियंस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड ऑडियंस बिकम्स अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. But the moment you decide to part ways, then you ask कि respect our privacy. मतलब respect has to work both ways. Na? It's very unfair, I think, for the creators and those influencers who just leave the audience hanging.
So this is unfair for the audience. How is it unfair for the influencer?
No, it is unfair for the audience कि यार आप कैसे उन्हें पूरा आपने उसको goals बना दिया और फिर आपने छोड़ दिया and then they don't even tell you that you know this is something.
So
like
do you
this
think
happened.
they should like post and
I think they should
about
tell
it
them
and
tell the
announce it?
audience. I think they should tell the audience. ऐसा नहीं कि पूरा कहानी बता दो, डिटेल्स में जाने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट बिकॉज आपके रिलेशनशिप में हम भी उतने इन्वेस्टेड थे तो हमें भी क्लोजर चाहिए. यू नो अ लॉट ऑफ लाइक वो पता है कुछ ऑडियंस वो अनफॉलो कर देते हैं आफ्टर दैट because they get hurt and I understand because I also used to follow a couple and I used to think yeah they're just like relationship goals and all and then there's no information.
Okay, so this is the segment that I was most excited about. I'll be giving you some very spicy, juicy statements, and you have to tell me whether you're for or against.
Oh
and
my
you have
God.
to give me your like proper stance. I'll give
Okay.
my inputs as well, but I'll start with you.
Let's do it.
So, for or against live-in relationships?
Against क्योंकि I am a old school वाला person and I feel like that like मेरा reason बड़ा ही silly है, बड़ा ही girly girl reason है मेरा. वो यही है कि मुझे शादी की नई शादी हुई है और आपके you know like that jitters, that butterflies and all that. I want to experience that. तो मैं पहले ही बिना शादी के रह के boring फिर तो क्या ही है नया. पहले आप साथ रहे थे फिर आप शादी करके रहे.
वही तो.
So for that.
Against.
हर चीज़ में इतना डीप जाने की जरूरत नहीं होती. Some things are for the soul and the heart.
So, what is your take on keeping in touch with an ex?
I absolutely do not agree with that.
You should not.
We should not keep
Do you
in touch.
think it's a red flag?
I think it's a reddest flag, and I think if your partner wants to be in touch, that is problematic. अगर वो अपने ex के साथ touch, because I have a very like simple reason for that. Because the same person जैसे आज आपके साथ मैं बैठी हूँ और आपके साथ मैंने इतने special moments जिए हैं, आपके साथ मैंने like I've had such good memories. वो तो रहती है ना यार. आप delete button तो है नहीं कोई दिमाग में, वो तो सब आपके दिमाग में है ही. जिस बंदे के साथ आपने ज़िंदगी काटने के, बच्चे पैदा करने के सपने देखे हैं, आप उसके साथ सिर्फ फ्रेंड्स की तरह कैसे रह सकते हो? वो कैपेसिटी नहीं मैच हो सकती क्योंकि बैक ऑफ द माइंड तो वो चीज़ें आएंगी ना. और मुझे तो अपने रिलेशनशिप में कॉम्प्लिकेशन चाहिए नहीं कि भाई वो उससे बातें कर रहा है, मिलने जा रहा है, कि फ्रेंड ही तो है, बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, वी हैव शेयर्ड सो मच. दैट इज़ द रीज़न बिकॉज यू हैव शेयर्ड सो मच एंड आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद दैट फीलिंग. सो बाय बाय एक्सेस.
Okay, now what I'll be doing is I'll be giving you statements because this podcast is going to be watched by so many girls. I'm so excited about that. I'll be giving you one statement.
Okay.
Okay, you have to tell me whether it's a red flag or a green flag, or you can do the rating wala cheese. You tell me it's 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, 10 on 10.
Okay.
So I'll be
Nice.
giving you statements and you have to tell me whether it's whatever rating you want to
Bring
give.
it on.
He's a 10, but he replies to your long texts with just
No, 0.
I think I already know the answer to this. He's a 10, but he still follows his ex religiously on Instagram.
Not applicable.
Okay. Minus.
Minus.
He's a 10, but he tells his mom everything, even about you. For me, it's
Yeah.
like a green flag. It's a
8.
good thing.
Yeah, 8.
Like you're telling me about.
At least he's considering you that important that he's discussing with your family now.
He's a 10, but he posts on Instagram every single day.
A guy posting every day and being like, oh, this is what I wore or मैं यहाँ जा रहा हूँ, for me it's no.
If he uses Snapchat as his only mode of communication.
No यार. Not someone
Big red flag, yeah.
Social media पे सारे टाइम रहोगे तो काम कब करोगे like that?
You don't understand why they're chatting on Snapchat.
For pictures?
No.
The chats.
The chats are not safe.
Oh my god.
The
I was-
chats disappear in 24 hours.
Exactly.
Oh my god, that is why people talk on
Snapchat. Yeah, I got to know this abhi recently.
Absolutely no.
That's the reason they talk on Snapchat.
I thought like they can also ask for pictures there, na? Fud
No,
fud ki.
but-
Send it to me.
But
So
it's
there's like
basically for like chat
No.
stays for 24 hours.
Because
That's insane.
on WhatsApp and Instagram, you have to make an effort to delete the chat, and on Snapchat, it just gets erased
so
in the
that
next
means
24 hours.
that guy is not just talking to you, but he says that I only
But he
talk
talk
to
to
you,
you.
and he's a cheater.
मैंने ऐसे सिर्फ आपसे बात करी है. मैंने कभी किसी
Yeah.
लड़की से
So and he uses Snapchat to say all of that
If you
to us.
know, you know.
Sure. Yeah, got it.
Yeah, we get that. So, there's another one. He says, I love women who are natural but follow Instagram models.
0.
Oh, he gives you main character energy when you're not around.
100.
100. All right. So we did enough questions on relationships, but there's going to be a rapid fire segment now.
Oh my god, so many segments for my
So
podcast.
many
now.
segments because it's Rose Kawatra.
I'm giving
guys.
you the tea also, na?
We have to get everything we can out of her. So, rapid fire questions. First question is text or call. We have to be very
Call.
rapid.
Call. Rapid.
Okay. Have you ever stalked your ex's girlfriend?
No.
Never.
No.
Okay. All right. What's your ick? I have so many icks. I think that's why I'm single.
When the guy calls the waiter like that.
People do that.
Yeah.
चिचिच कौन करता है यार?
सीटी मारते मुझे आती नहीं वरना मैं बजाती.
One red flag you always ignore but you shouldn't.
एक बताऊं?
बताओ.
His friend circle.
Oh, that's nice.
हम देखते हैं हमें पसंद नहीं आते कुछ फ्रेंड्स हमें लगते कि नहीं.
हाँ.
बट फ्रेंड सर्कल बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो अगर उसका फ्रेंड सर्कल फिशी है ना तो ये रेड फ्लैग यूजुअली हम इग्नोर कर देते हैं बिकॉज फ्रेंड्स है ना बट नहीं करना चाहिए.
Okay.
थैंक यू.
Alright. Hot guy with no sense of humor or average guy that makes you laugh till your stomach hurts?
Average guy that makes me laugh till my stomach hurts.
Celebrity girl crush.
Kareena Kapoor. I had
You know
so
that.
much fun and I'm
Thank
sure
you.
like
I did too, of course.
it didn't feel like very
It
formal.
was not
it was like
formal. It was like a
yeah.
casual chit chat.
Yeah, had so much fun. Thank you so much for having me and thank you guys for watching this podcast.
You want to do the ending or should I?
No, I'm doing it for you.
Oh, thank you. So, guys, if you don't follow her, I think most of you already follow her, but if you don't, please follow Rose Kawatra. She's an amazing lifestyle influencer and she's going to motivate you in ways I think it's going to be very, very helpful for you. So,
Thank you.
You
guys
can be a little more
please
cheered up about your thank you.
Thank you guys. So you guys don't know but all of this like we've spoken about all these topics off camera and we've discussed all of this.
Yeah.
So isliye we were so excited to do it on
camera for you guys.
So yeah. So I was so happy to be here and Sweekati, she's an amazing person and even better podcaster. So you have to follow her Instagram, her YouTube channel. So you have to subscribe down below. Support your girl. We're all for girls, women empowerment, financial independence. Come on, subscribe, like, share and follow on Instagram, Arise Talks, and see you in the next episode.
Signing out for now. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye.